What's good, June Squad? It's your boy June. Today's video is going to be a vlog, guys. We are on our way to Ellie Rays for our Florida Ski Riders Festival. Now, I'm cringing a little bit because, you know, we had a Category 1 hurricane on the coast right now. I am going to leave now, which is Wednesday. And I'm gonna head out there now because I'm gonna try to beat the storm there and then hunker down there for a day because it's gonna come through really quick and just go. So me and the wifey are packing up and we are headed to Ellie Rays, guys. Okay, so before we leave, I wanted to show you guys what's going on right now. So this is what is going on right now. So I am over here in this area. So we're about to head up all the way to about right here to the Ellie Rays. And you see what's out there, and it's at 70 miles an hour winds. It's not even a hurricane anymore. So, but we're gonna get out there so that way we can get ahead of the storm and kind of just chill there for the day. But it's gonna be pretty fun. It's not gonna be bad. It's just gonna be a little windy, some rain, but it'll be alright. It'll be alright. So guys, we made it to Ellie Rays last night in front of the storm, and it didn't do nothing here. It barely was windy, it barely rained, and we're on the next day and the storm already passed us. So we're gonna go ahead and ride out. We're gonna go ahead and drop the skis. Mr. Duncan back there. But yeah, I didn't vlog too much last night because it was dark for one, and couldn't really see much, and it was raining so bad on the highway that yeah, I didn't want to risk it. So we got here pretty late last night, about 10 something. Yeah, and it had just started drizzling as soon as we got here, so we just kind of just, you know, sat back, played around, and just had some fun last night. So today, I mean, it's a little cloudy, but there's no rain, barely wind, so we're just gonna go for a little cruise right now. Yeah, so this is the first day of the Florida Ski Rider Festival. This is gonna be an awesome day. You know, ski riders are showing up little by little, but by the end of the day, or even by this weekend, there's gonna be a bunch of people here. So stay tuned, guys. We out, people. Nice little ride. We're gonna go ride down the spring. After the storm, people, the storm just went right by us. We woke up this morning and it was gone. The storm gone. Woke up, it was gone.
Turned out to be a nice day.
Yes, beautiful day. Now we're going down the Santa Fe River right now. I think we're headed toward Itchnacutney Springs. I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong, but you know, just for some reason I cannot pronounce the word. I am. Oh, cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. You got me ready, go.
Right, get me one.
Right in my ear, bro. That.
What was that? Wait. That was meat, dude? Oh, dude, that's not meat, is it? Dude, that's nasty. Dude, that stuff is nasty.
That's my hurt ear too.
Oh, bro, I smell that. Eat that over there.
That's my hurt ear
Eat
too.
that, dude. Stinks.
Ugh. You want some more?
Oh, right, it's like,
Natural.
it's 7:17. What are we gonna do? We're gonna do something.
Damn, I'm looking at my watch waiting for it to turn on. It's still dead. Gotta charge it for it to work, right?
What, you watch?
Yeah, I keep going like this, going, why isn't it turning on?
Go charge it. Give me. I'll put it on my charger.
It's dead.
Let's make sure Monday everybody gets the text message for a Google review.
What are you doing, Caleb?